Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to disable or disconnect your Ethernet or LAN connection in Windows 10 without actually unplugging the cable. Super useful if you want to switch to Wi-Fi temporarily or pause your wired connection. Let's get into it. First, head down to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click the network icon in the system tray. Then click Open Network and Internet Settings. Now in the window that opens, look for and click on Change Adapter Options under the Advanced Network Settings section. This will open up a new window showing all your network adapters. You'll see your Ethernet or LAN connection. Listed here, probably named something like Ethernet or Local Area Connection. To disable it, simply right-click on the Ethernet adapter and choose Disable. And just like that, your wired connection is now disconnected, but the cable is still physically plugged in. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, Windows will automatically switch over to it. Now, whenever you want to re-enable the Ethernet, just come back to the same place, right-click it again, and choose Enable. And that's it! A quick and easy way to disconnect your LAN connection without touching any wires. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more tips like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.